Hello friends, welcome to Hike Branding YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a real-time issue faced by one of my clients from the US and how I solved it with automation. Let me quickly walk you through the story. The client was dealing with a time-consuming process. They had to manually send a digital document invites through the SignNow platform to get signature from their customers. The customer details were stored in Keap CRM and the client had to manually select each customer, copy their email, go to SignNow and send the invite. Pretty tedious, right? So I proposed an automation solution and that's exactly what I will be showing you today. So let's dive in. Before we get started, here's what I'm going to show you in this video. First, how to create a campaign in Keap that triggers a webhook to Zapier when a specific tag is applied to a contact. Second, how to upload a PDF document and create a template in SignNow. Third, how to find a contact in Zapier using the contact ID received from the Keap. Fourth, how to use SignNow inside a Zap to dynamically send an invite with prefilled data. Okay, so let's begin. Here, this is SignNow platform where I logged in with my account. Now first I will create a template in SignNow. So to create a template, just click on this template and here just click create template and click on upload new template. Here I will select a PDF file. Okay, so I'm selecting a PDF file with one page, okay, for the demo purpose, but you can upload a PDF file of more than one pages, okay, according to your requirement. And here I will change the role to customer, okay, and I will click on save and continue. Let's click on got it. Now here, this is the PDF file, and here in the left side you can see there are some input fields like full name, email, date and time, signature, text, okay, and checkbox. So you can place any of these input fields in this PDF document. Okay, so let me first select this signature and place it here. Okay, and I will also select this text field and place it here, and I will change the label of this text field. So in the right side you can see the properties and settings for this field. Okay, so let me click on this additional setting, and from here I can change the label. So here I can write name, okay, or I can just write customer name or just name. Okay, I will take the text field again, and I will take the text field for the email. Okay, so we can use this one, or for the specific type is email, so I can use this email also. Okay, so just click on this email and you can place it anywhere. Okay, and you can increase or decrease the size like this. Okay, and let me go to additional setting, and in label I will just write email. Okay, and you can take any field as you want. So let me take one more field, which is date and time, and place it here. Okay, now for the date and time you can change the setting here, like this field will be required field, so just check on this. Okay, and you can change the format also here from here. And let me go to additional setting, and here let me go to date and time setting, and here let me check this automatically fill out with the completion date and time. So if I select this one, so whenever this document is opened, now it will fill the current date and time here. Okay, so after completion of this template, let me click on save and close. So our template has been completed. You can rename this template if you want. So let me go here and click on rename, and here I will write to customer, copy customer, just write customer and click on rename template. Okay, so this is the PDF template for customer. Okay, now let's go to the Keap account. Okay, so this is my Keap account where I already logged in. Okay, now first I will create a campaign. So whenever a tag is applied to a contact, then I will send the contact ID to the Zap, and from here I will fetch the contact details from the Keap and send a dynamic prefilled PDF invite from the SignNow account. Okay, so let's see how I do this. So if let me first go to Keap account, and here let's go to automation builder, and here I will create a new campaign. Okay, so click on create your own, and let me name it like keep to SignNow. Okay, and click on save. Now when a tag is applied, so I will select this tag applied goal. Okay, and let me right click and click on view and edit. Now here I have already created a tag for the demo purpose, so let me search for the tag Keap. Okay, Zapier. Okay, so Zapier to SignNow. So let me select this tag and click on save. So whenever this Zapier to SignNow tag apply to any contact, then I will send the contact ID to Zap. So let me show you by completing this campaign. So next I will keep this sequence here and connect it here like this, and let me right click and click on view and edit. Now next I will use this send HTTP post action, and I will right click and click on view and edit. Now here I will select, sorry, here I will put the webhook URL where we will send this contact ID. Okay, so we will get this URL from the Zap. So let me go to Zapier. So this is my Zapier account where I already logged in. Now let's create a new Zap. So here go to Zaps section and click on create button and click on new Zap. Okay, let's first keep a name. Okay, keep to customer signature. Okay, and here in trigger I will select the webhook tool of Zapier, and then in trigger event I will select catch hook and click on continue. Now this will returns a URL here, you can see. So this is the webhook URL. So let's copy this URL and go to Keap campaign and paste the URL here. Okay, now from the draft let's make it ready and go back, also make this ready and go back and click on publish and click on publish, and here click don't add contacts. Okay, now let's close this from here and let's open any contact. So I will open with my name, that is Hiren Patel, and from this contact I will go to the tags section, and here I will apply the tag from for which I will send an invite for signature. Okay, so here in no category I have this Zapier to SignNow tag, so I will select this one and click on apply this tag. Okay, and click on save. Okay, now let's go to the Zap, and here I will click on test trigger. Let's click again. Okay, so it's okay. Now here you can see there is a record received. So if I open this record, then you can see the contact ID received here. Okay, so you can see the contact ID here 145615, and if I match here, so you can see 145615. So we are getting the correct contact ID here in the trigger step. Okay, so next let's click on continue with the selected record, and here I will select Keap. Okay, so let's select Keap app, and in the action event I will select find contact, and in account I will select my Keap account here, which is already connected. Click on continue, and in field I will select contact ID, and in value I will pass the received contact ID in the trigger step. So I will select this one, and let's click on continue and click on test step. Okay, so here you can see the details of the contact has been fetched here, you can see. Okay, so we will use the these details in the further step. Okay, so let's click on this plus icon to add one more step, and this time I will use SignNow. Okay, so just search for SignNow, and this is the SignNow app. Just click this, and here in action event I will select this one, create document from template and send a role based invite. Okay, just click this, and here I already connected my SignNow account. Okay, now click on continue, and here in template let's click, and here you will find the created template. Okay, so in my case I have only one template, that's why here also only showing one template, which is customer. So select this one, and here you need to specify the document name. So I will keep it dynamic. So here I will write the customer name. Okay, so here I will write name, and here I from here I will select first name space, and then I will also use last name. Okay, first name last name. Okay, and in from I will select my email ID, and you can also use a subject here. So signature required from high branding. Okay, and in message just write please sign this document ASAP. Okay, and here you can see some fields. So customer signing order, so I will select one, and in customer email I will use the fetched details email, so I will select this one, and these are the fields which we created in this template. So we can pre-fill from here, or we can leave empty. So if we want that customer fills that field, then we can leave it blank here also, and if we pass any value from here, then customer will see the pre-filled data. Okay, so let me pre-fill. So in name I will just write name, first name space name last name. Okay, in email I will pass email, so this is the email, and I will leave this date field blank, and here you can see locked custom field. So you can lock any custom field so that the customer cannot change the pre-filled data. Okay, and if you not lock any field, then customer can change the data of the custom field. So I will not lock any custom field, and here are some more fields which I will not do anything. Okay, now next okay, next I will click on continue, and I will click on test step. Okay, and let's see this sends an invite to my email ID or not. Okay, so here you can see the data output which is showing success. Okay, now let's me go to my email ID and reload. Okay, so a signing request has been received, you can see, from Hike Branding. Okay, and here you can see you were invited to review and sign a document. Please sign this document ASAP. This is the message, and this is the subject signature required from Hike Branding. Okay, and if I click on view document, then I can see the PDF document. Okay, so let me copy the link and open in a incognito mode. So the document is opening. Now here you can see these fields are pre-filled because from Zapier we have filled these fields. So the name is pre-filled, email is pre-filled, date is automatically pre-filled. Okay, and sign is the signature is required. Okay, so let's click on this field. Now the signature is added. Now if I click on finish, then the document saved successfully, you can see, and it is redirected to the thank you page. Okay, now let's close this one and go to SignNow. And now if I go to documents, okay, so here you can see there is one document with the name Hiren Patel, and this document is already signed here, you can see. So if I open here, then here you can see the signature and all the details. Okay, so this is how we can automate this type of task using Zapier. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon in next tutorial.